Hello trader, welcome back to another live session from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is your trading coach. Hope that you guys are enjoying the day. And just been GBP, we have seen a big news has come out on GBP, and I would like to see what's happening in the market in terms of a calendar. What we see that on GBP USD, if you look at the overall situation on GBPUSD, we see the claimant count change. The forecast was 13.9k, but has come out to be 8.9k. So which is basically positive for DXY, for GBP. We talk a lot about the DXY. Now it's getting same as DXY. So which is positive for GBP. And we can see that because of that, we have seen a pumping on GBPJPY after a breakdown here. We have seen a bounce, while we can see that gold is just, it's in a pullback here in this area. So we will be looking at both of these instruments in terms of GBPJPY and also in terms of gold. And I think that GBPJPY might be pushing high for bigger move here in that area. As you can see with the news, there has been positive news on GBPJPY. If we look at the daily chart also, this market is in a bullish move. I would like to see one by one all of them to see how the market is doing, and in the meantime I would appreciate your support. If you are here, give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. And also that on gold, we can see that from that zone, after forming a head and shoulder, the market is coming for a bit of downside pullback. We have seen so far a move on gold, and now it's just dropping down for another deeper pullback. So I would like to see one by one all of them to see what is our next entry opportunity. And also, before I progress further, if you are enjoying this live session, make sure every day, guys, you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. So let's begin, starting with, first of all, GBPJPY. As we can see, the market has had a huge bounce, including we see a bit of a reaction on GBPUSD as well. But we see that GBPJPY is just pumping. And that pumping, you can see this is the 15-minute candle, just pumping to the upside, and we need to see how far it might be moving in that direction. So let's quickly look at, also we can see that a bit of downside on gold here as well. So gold, what we could see in this zone for this movement, there is a bit of manipulation here on gold, and from this manipulation the market started to drop from that level, while we see the GBPJPY is just pumping with a liquidity candle formation. Now this is the 4-hour price section on GJ. We can see that there is still, the candle is not closed, there is a liquidity candle formation, and we might see that the price could push to the upside further with this liquidity candle formation, as we still have couple of hours to go for this candle to form. We can see there is a good movement here on GBPJPY. So with this movement, expecting GJ to bounce back to the upside. So in the meantime, traders, if you are here, give a thumbs up and also let me know you are here so that I can see and do the full analysis. Omar, thank you very much. Good morning coach. Morning, good morning, welcome, good morning, thank you very much, good morning, well done, welcome back to another live session. So you can see that GBPJPY is just forming a strong bullish market structure, so which might lead this price to push up for another momentum. From the 15 minutes, what we can see that the market is it was forming a bullish market structure. With that bullish market structure, what we can see, this is the resistance line here, and with this resistance line, the price has broken that resistance and expecting this to continue to go up. As we have seen, there is a sudden manipulation, and that manipulation might give another fuel for GBPJPY to continue to rise in that direction for long-term perspective. So here what we can see, guys, on GJ, this market continuously pushing high for as we have seen, the news bias has come out to be positive for GBPJPY, and because the market has grabbed multiple liquidity here also, I think GJ may continue to rise in the major direction of the trend. So the trend is up, and as the news has come out to be positive, we might see that GJ is bouncing back towards the upside. While we can see that gold has a rejection from the top, and gold also getting a bit of liquidity from this support level. We have seen that there is a multiple manipulation on gold also, just has broken the support. With around GBPJPY, there is a bullish candle formation. Good morning, welcome, greeting great souls. Another day to learn. Yes, another day. Good morning, Amico. Good morning, Manuel. Good morning. Thank you for joining the live session. Good morning, Kizitu. Welcome to the live session from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So here what we can see, traders, gold, the price is below the support level, and while we can see that on gold and GBPJPY, this is a news move on GJ, and with this news move we might see now a pullback. But what we can see, if you look at the 4 hour, there is a liquidity candle formation. The price has broken that low, and this is a news candle, guys. And what I am expecting on GJ now to come down for a deeper pullback, and once it come down for a deeper pullback, we can look for potential entry because the market managed to break above. Now this 1 hour candle, if it comes down for pullback, we can look for that another entry opportunity. There is an inverted head and shoulder in that area, and with this inverted head and shoulder formation, okay, so with this inverted head and shoulder formation, if it comes down to retest, then we can look for potential entry. Because this is a 1 hour candle, this is a news candle, we might see that now a deeper pullback. So let's wait for the pullback, and then we will be looking for any kind of entry coming along the way. So this is a neckline of this rejection. Let's see how the market is reacting in that area. So either the market might bounce back from here, or we could see a retest and then rejection. Are you guys with me? Let me know if you are ready for another big profitable day. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you for joining this live session, and let's find out where is the next movement coming up on GBPJPY and dollar yen, as well as on gold. So gold, we can see that after breaking this low, we're just now trying to bounce back up in that direction, or it might drop further depending on how the price is doing. We will be able to understand what the market is doing. So here is, you can see from this zone, it's trying to bounce again. Gold long-term trend is up. Also, I'll be doing the full analysis on gold. Are you guys looking at gold? Tony, good morning. Emmanuel, hello. Yeah, ready, coach. Thank you. Ice cream, welcome to the live session. So GBPJPY is keep pushing high, and the way the market is heading, what we could see that GJ may continue to rise in the major direction of the trend, which we might see eventually, because the long-term trend is up. Guys, keep in mind that trend is your friend. All right, good entry in gold yet, coach? Gold, we are waiting to see. Yet not yet. As soon as it will appear, definitely we'll be looking at. Gold is still there is a bounce, and then we can see the market started to drop in that direction. Gold is not in any clear position, but what you see that on GJ, we might potentially find a position on GBPJPY if we see the market has given us that potential probability to enter. 30 minutes candle closing with the 15 minutes as well. Good morning, coach. Thank you. Good morning. Welcome. Yeah, patiently waiting for another entry. Okay, gold looks like that we might see a bit of bearish pressure here. So I was running a trade on gold. I have to exit that. So what we can see on GJ and gold had a suddenly a drop here in that area, and with this drop we might see the price coming back below the support. Suddenly we have seen a sudden breakdown on gold, and that might lead this price coming back to the support for bigger movement. So gold has broken from the resistance line. couple of running trades that I have to exit. So we can see that gold from that zone have got a bit of rejection from this level, and currently if we look at the overall market structure on gold, we have seen a bigger drop from this level, and with this drop we'll be waiting to see how the market is evolving in that area. And if we look at the GBPJPY, also a big bounce, we might see that pullback again to the support level, and from this support we can expect for the price to give us another entry opportunity. So especially on GBPJPY, what we can see that there is a bit of liquidity grab here, a strong liquidity grab in that zone with penetration and then bounce from this liquidity grab. Therefore, any pullback can give opportunity for potential bullish. If we look at gold, we have seen that gold from the resistance level having a strong rejection from to the downside. Thank you. Gold might slow. Yeah. Did you sell gold, coach? Not yet. In our we had few trades running that I have just closed it. We'll be looking to see where we can find opportunity to sell on gold. If we see opportunity, then we will be selling. At the moment, what we can see, there is a bit of very strong rejection here, and from this zone we need to see either it's gonna break or we might see further upside. So we can see there is a potential for selling opportunity. There could be. Let me see that if we have that opportunity. I would like to sell for short term on gold. So my stop loss will be just above this 5 minutes candle. This is a 5-minute chart. And we'll be targeting here, which will be around 1 to 1. I will be taking 1% risk on that, expecting it to drop down from that zone. So I have sold gold from this level with stop loss at 2341.90 and waiting for the price to have a rejection further. Though we have seen that there is a bit of pullback going on, and this is a very weaker response from the buyers. So if the market breaks to the support, though it is on a support resistance, so we'll be waiting to see a break on gold from this level. But we have seen that there is a bit of upside pullback, and if the market is getting rejected from this level, then we might see further break on the support level. So if we look at the lower time frame, even the 1-minute chart, okay, so we need to see that it's getting rejected. Might not, but let's see. I'm still on it, waiting for the price to get a rejection. It's a very tight trade. If it gets a rejection, then might get stopped out. Okay, we see that potential downside happening. We want to see that it's getting a rejection from this support level. Okay, so I'm on it. Now looking at 5 minutes, if we see weaker response from the buyers, we should see downside, waiting the candle to close as a doji and then to break below. So as soon as it will break below, we will be able to secure the profit here. So I am just entering into the profit zone on gold and waiting to break below to hit the profit target. All right, so I'm running in profit at the moment on gold, and let's wait for the price to get that rejection to the downside. All right, so hitting the profit, nearly there guys, waiting to get a rejection. Come on, why you're getting a rejection from the bottom? We need to see that break of support. So we might go back up again. All right, so running in profit. I'm ready to close any time if needed, whatever profit that we get here. But we want to take it the bigger one. The risk is always low. This is the key. Come on, why you're struggling to drop? The trend is down, so we should see that drop in that direction. Are you guys with me? So so far is still in our favor. We have sold from the bottom. It's struggling to drop. Very interesting. All right, drop. Running profit, almost hitting the profit target here on the live account. Want to see that it has broken below. Come on. It's getting a bit of manipulation again. Okay. Still probability to drop and hit the profit target. But it's struggling here. Now it's gone back to the resistance line. All right, so you want to see that it's getting. You guys with me? So you want to take it or you want to run it? dropping down to the support. Probably we need to take the profit very soon. So let it hit the TP. I'm taking profit, guys. I'm taking profit. Boom. I've taken the profit because there is a bit of struggle here in the price action. It might drop, or probabilities to drop again, but I have taken the profit, and it might keep pushing down, and we might see it's just dropping down, guys. Let me know if anyone here with this trade with me, and let's see the next move that we can take. Now here, the way the price action is heading, we might see further downside probability. Traded one. So the way the price is heading, we might see now to this support level on gold. Okay, traders, so gold, we have secured profit here. Can anyone let me know, are you guys here with me in this trade? USD, GBPUSD. What about the opportunity to buy on GBPUSD? We'll be looking at that. UDNZD, yes, it should force now to break the support. Yeah, good morning. I close 1-2. Thank you. Anyone here with that trade on gold with me? Yes, we can enter again. No, not now. I have just secured profit, and being patient and discipline is the key in trading, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, if you're enjoying the live session, would you mind giving a thumbs up here? Are you enjoying the live session? And also, if you want to trade with me in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, also don't hesitate to join today. I have few spots to take on the mentorship program, where you can learn the strategy that I'm trading. Strategy is the key. Without a strategy, you cannot learn and grow as a trader. So make sure that you always trade based on strategies, and that's the key to become a profitable trader. Because if you are not trading based on a strategy, then you will not be able to profitable over the long term. So it's important that you trade based on a strategy, based on risk management plan, and that's the key to be profitable as a trader. And also, to learn the strategy, you need proper structure. Now, past week we had quite a few members join. This week I have found a couple of DM to join us in the academy. I have taken a couple of days. I haven't taken a couple of days any member, because I wanted to train for those who are already here fully before we go to the another stop. Should we join gold again? Secure the profit. Wait for the rise. Now at the moment, no, we are not opening any position on gold, but we'll be waiting to see. We'll be waiting to see for the next move, and then we can enter. And in the meantime, guys, let me know how many of you are dedicated to learn the strategy that I am trading, because trading is all about strategy. Trading is all about learning the risk management and also trading with the trend. There is a lot to consider when you are trading, especially this kind of volatile market. When you are trading, you need to apply the strategy, and also the discipline coming with the strategy is very, very important. So let me know how many traders think that you can learn and grow as a trader. I'm dedicated to learn, Arus. So let me know how many of you are dedicated to learn. Probably I might have a giveaway today if you are dedicated to learn and grow with me. Let me see if there is any opportunity for giveaway. So I first need to see how many traders are willing to learn and grow, and then let me see how many spots available on the mentorship program, and then we can take you on board to become a profitable trader. So we have seen significant downside on gold suddenly. So let me see. Okay, great deal of Moses. Well, thank you, Emmanuel, Dalson. Okay, Baby Rose, Samir, Himangsh. Good morning. Legends. I want to learn. I'm dedicated. Okay, so we have quite a few members are very, very dedicated. I know that many of you already in the academy with us in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So from those who are dedicated, we can take around half of you this week, maybe next week another half. So I have posted a $200 coupon here now. I'm posting on the live chat $200 coupon to join the lifetime access. So this is 24-hour validity for this coupon to join lifetime access plan, and this will be a giveaway that okay, so Mechi Folker, very dedicated. Okay, so this coupon $200 is the one who are dedicated to learn and grow with me as a trader, because here you need to learn the strategy and also you need to do the risk management. That's the key. So I'm posting the coupon here, which is the $200 coupon, and that one you need to use on the lifetime access. It's only applicable to the lifetime access, 24-hour validity. Join that right now to be part of the trading community. Once you place the order using the lifetime, check your email for all the links to join to the relevant channel and the relevant area. So this is a $200 additional discount on top of, which will give you around 70% off on joining the lifetime access plan to trade with me in Forex Trading Wizard Academy to learn and grow as a trader. And also you will be able to access the exclusive trading tool that I am using every day to trade the market, including one-on-one guidance as well as trading together in the market That's everything that I have learned so far. You can get access to it. So this $200 coupon will be valid for 24 hours. So right now you can use on the lifetime access checkout. The website link you can find below this video in the description area. So I can give you the website link here on the live chat. So this is the website address. You can visit the website and then use it right now before it gets expired or taken by someone else. So with that being said, this is the gold chart, and we have seen that complete breakdown here on gold. Now let's see what's happening with the GBPJPY. As we have secured a trade on gold, let's find out what's the situation with the GBPJPY, and then also we'll be looking at other pairs. And in the meantime, traders, did you smash the like button? I see that 100 view like is 32. Can you make it to 50 like, giving a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet, so that you can get access to every exclusive content that I'm posting every single day. Thank you for joining. Thank you for doing that. Thank you for also your continued support to the channel. Now let's look at now here on GBPJPY. You can see this is a move here, expecting it for a correction. Now if GJ directly dropping back below this news candle, this is a news candle liquidity zone, we might see another probability to bounce back up again. Let's find out what's happening in this. So looking at here, if you look at the lower time frame on GJ, this is a bounce here, expecting it to drop back to the support, and then we will be looking for any kind of entry. Okay, so here this is the 30 minutes candle and also the 15 minutes candle. With this move, the market has dropped back to this support, and from this support the market is retesting, expecting it to bounce back up. Let's figure out where it is going. Thanks for joining. I see that some of you have joined. You're welcome to the Forex Trading Wizard Academy, and I'm sure that you will enjoy here. Thank you. So let's look at here what you can see, after retesting this support, the market is trying to bounce on GJ in that area. And also if we look at the 4 hour and 1 hour, so 1 hour candle is closing in a couple of minutes. This is a news candle. If we look at the intraday 4 hour, also this is a bullish candle. On GJ, it's a strongly bull market at the moment, and any break below can give potential entry. Now for me, GJ, I will be waiting at 196.2425 level for any kind of entry. We see there is a potential double bottom formation on GJ, and there is a potential double bottom formation that might lead GJ to the upside for another bounce. We'll see that. while we can see that gold is still maintaining potential bearish market structure, creating series of lower high and lower low. So gold almost has come back to the daily support, and from this support we might see another upside later, but we need to see the clear retest of this daily support before it get a bounce towards the upside. Now gold on a daily support, this is the daily support, and I think that the market might be coming back to this daily support, and then we could see potential rejection. Breaking below the daily support could give a bit of long-term opportunity to hold a trade for this again bounce, because this drop on the daily support is a straight drop. You can see this is the 15 minutes price action, and if the market managed to break below the daily support, especially even breaking this low, can be a high probability setup on gold for the potential bounce back up, and we might be able to see bigger profit target possible on that if it bounce from that level on gold. Are you guys enjoying the live session? Thanks for joining the academy. I see that some member already have joined, so the coupon is almost at the end. Thanks for joining that. And also for those who have joined, also wait for the VIP Telegram link. The team will send you in a separate email for the VIP Telegram channel link, where you will be able to access all the trade alert that I'm sending every day, along with other educational content. And I absolutely appreciate your support to the channel. For your support, the channel is growing now very fast, and definitely it will grow with all of you together. Okay, we see that now from this zone, it's dropping back below this support. Okay, traders, so this drop, wanna see that it's breaking below further before we find an entry opportunity, because it's a clean breakdown on gold to the support, and this is the daily support. I think that after breaking the low, we might find potential bounce before, even we might see later a break of support, which is possible, but before that want to see at least a short bounce coming from the daily support, that we might be able to take it once we see suitable confirmation. But now after 2 dojis formation, it dropped back down to the support level. Thank you, morning coach. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Very dedicated. Welcome. Hi, USD Care. What is your analysis? Thank you very much. Good morning. We'll be looking at that. Do you use order block strategy, coach? Yes, absolutely. So order block, when the market drops down to the order block, which is basically a very high probability setup, I will be discussing in depth. Stay tuned. Lalethi, welcome. Faber, good morning. Gold as a story on the left tail. I think you might find entry ahead. Surely, thank you very much. I have joined. Arus, welcome. Welcome, Arus. Thanks for joining the live session. And thanks for joining the academy, in the VIP Academy, using the coupon. Still, I see that couple of spots available to join with the additional $200 discount is ending. So you can use it right now. Let me see. Here is with this drop here. So breaking below further. So this is an order block here when the market dropped. And if the market from the daily support has got a bounce, we might see that it might bounce back to the order block, but still we see there is a probability for a bit of penetration to the downside. And from that zone, we could see that gold is potentially bouncing back to the upside. At the moment, we could see further break in that area, and then we might see that rejection. As you guys can see my screen, just a moment, you will be able to see that. Okay, here we can see there is a bit of rejection showing up, but I'm still waiting for any kind of to see what kind of price action it might be forming. If we look at the 15 minutes, there is a dodgy formation, and that dodgy formation might bring the price back a bit to the upside because there is a daily support test, and from this daily support, if you look at, there might be a potential short-term rejection possible to test this neckline. I've entered with the coupon but just started and can't pay rest. Anyone help me, coach? Entered with the coupon but I just started. So Emmanuel, what do you mean by started? Okay, so you mean that you can use the live chat, send your email address. You will be able to send detail how you can join with any option that you have to join in the academy. Dedicated to learn, welcome. Morning, coach. I went in 1 hour divergence where on gold. You mean that 1 hour divergence on gold, or which instrument that you are talking about? So gold, if you look at here, this is a big 1 hour candle, and that might lead this price again go a bit to the upside here because this is the daily support. From this daily support, there is a probability for gold to revisit that resistance line for one more time before either dropping further or again it's continuing to the upside, because this support, this is on an order block, and we might see now a short-term potential bounce on gold to the upside. So I'm a bit cautious on that. Morning. Thank you very much. Morning. Hello from Botswana. Welcome. Thank you. What about GJ? Yeah, we'll be looking at that. Gold. So GJ, let's look at, okay, GJ is carrying multiple liquidity candle formation in that area. So we might see what I think that GJ, let's look at GJ also while gold is trying to bounce back up. I think gold GJ might grab more liquidity before it finally bounces up. Now there is a 4 hour candle close running on it. You can see it's closed now. It might drop below to grab more liquidity before moving back to the upside on GJ. That's what I would say. Now if we look at gold on the 15-minute chart, because GJ, I think we might see now at the moment a bit of sideways manipulation in the day zone, so we should be able to see a trade ready in the NY session or London session. But at the moment, let's look at a gold chart to see what kind of price action is forming. Gold might now push up a bit for a pullback. Okay, there is a probability for a short-term bounce, and want to see how it is going, and then based on that we can look for an entry. And traders, I believe that you are enjoying this live session. I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Also, there will be another live coming up in NY session. Also, we'll be trading live together in the NY session. And in the meantime, if you didn't smash it yet, smash it to see, to learn and to grow as a trader with me together, with all of you together. And I see that view is 125, the likes is 40. So would you mind giving 10 more likes to make it to 50? That's awesome. Thank you. Okay, waiting for the price to break above. So there is a probability, because on the daily support, this is what I called an ICT strategy, so inner circle. So when you see that during the day, in the same day, the market dropped back to that support, we might find that the price again having another rejection. So this is what now in that zone, if it isn't not breaking down again, we should be able to see that potential rejection to the upside. Let's see if the market is feeling that weak or again going up to retest this level, which is possible. We can see that there is a bounce after grabbing liquidity. And absolutely amazing, guys. If you are here, make sure you are not missing out by subscribing to the channel, pressing the bell button. We had early today a successful trade on gold in this live session, and want to have some more trading opportunity in the upcoming session. There is another live coming up in just a matter of a couple of hours. As you can see, gold is now trying to push high again. I would like to trade gold again in just a couple of hours or couple of minutes, as soon as I will find another entry. And any trade coming along the way, definitely I will be sharing in the VIP community in the channel if I am not on this live session. So if you want to access all of them, don't hesitate to join today. We had special giveaway today for all of you, and which is only for today. It will not be available for you anymore. So if you haven't accessed yet that coupon, let me share with you on the live chat. You can use it on the lifetime access checkout. So you can use that coupon, $200 coupon, additional discount on top of what is already there. It's only for the lifetime access. For those who are dedicated trader, want to learn and grow with me, you can use that coupon using the lifetime access checkout. Use it right now before it is ending. Once you use it, you can get another $200 additional discount, and also you can get my full guidance, trading with me live together every single day. So with that being said, traders, it was an enjoyable day, and I would like to see you again in the next session just in a couple of hours. We'll see you there. Enjoy your time. Until that, stay well, stay happy.